Hi, I'm Karen McCombie and this is my new novel, Little Bird Flies. So the year is 1861. The setting is the remote island of Tornish on the west coast of Scotland. So who is Little Bird? Well, she's Bridie McCarry and she earned her nickname when she was born way too soon, born very frail and not expected to survive. But she did survive and she grew to be, well, small for her age, but still strong, still smart, afraid of nothing. Well, almost nothing. The trouble is, Little Bird, Bridie, is poor and she's a girl. Now she does love her island, she loves the wild seas, she loves the big skies, but she does worry that she'll never ever escape the island. She'll never see anything of the outside world. And often, so often, she'll race her best friend Will to the top of the nearest hill and then she'll look out over the Atlantic Ocean and dream of America way beyond the horizon. But one day, Bridie's dreamings come to an end. There's a new owner of the island. The new Laird is cruel and dangerous, especially to Bridie's family. Soon, Bridie realises that the whole family are going to have to flee for their very lives. But escape is difficult, with danger at every turn. Will this little bird ever find somewhere safe to land, somewhere new to call home? Anyway, I hope you enjoy Little Bird Flies. If you'd like to leave me a review, you can. Just go to my website, that's www.karenmccombie.com. Please do. Thanks.